Today, I'll show you how to create an email in Klaviyo. Whether you're reaching out to your subscribers for a special promotion or just keeping in touch, crafting an effective email is a powerful tool in any marketer's toolkit. So, let's dive in and I'll guide you through each step to ensure your email not only reaches your audience, but also resonates with them. First things first, we'll start by navigating to the Campaigns section in Klaviyo. Once you're logged in, look for the Campaigns tab in the main menu. From there, click on Create Campaign. Now, since we're focusing on emails today, go ahead and select Email from the options presented. This is where you'll begin the process of creating a new email campaign. Next, it's time to select your audience. Your audience is crucial, as targeting the right people can make or break the success of your email. Think about who you want to reach with this particular message. Is it a specific segment of your list, or is it everyone? Once you've made your selection, click Continue to Content to proceed. This will take you to the section where the real creativity begins. Now we're getting to the fun part, entering your header details. This includes the subject line and preview text of your email. Your subject line is the first impression your email will make, so make it engaging and relevant to entice your audience to open it. The preview text is like a sneak peek of what's inside, so ensure it complements your subject line and encourages further curiosity. Spend some time crafting these, as they are critical to increasing your open rates. Once you've nailed down your header details, it's time to pick a layout. Klaviyo offers a variety of templates that cater to different needs, whether it's a simple text-based email or a more graphic-rich design. Choose a layout that aligns with your brand's aesthetic and the message you want to convey. Remember, the layout should enhance your content, not distract from it. After selecting your layout, you'll move on to modifying it to suit your specific campaign needs. Customize the content by adding your text, images, and any other elements you want included. This is your opportunity to align the email with your brand's voice and style. Pay attention to details such as fonts, colors, and image placements to ensure everything is cohesive and professional. Don't forget to include a clear call to action, guiding your audience on what to do next, whether it's visiting your store, reading an article, or signing up for an event. As you modify your email, keep an eye on how it looks on both desktop and mobile devices. Klaviyo allows you to preview your email in both formats, which is essential because many of your recipients will be reading your email on their phones. Ensure that your design is responsive and that all elements are readable and function as intended across different devices. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks and you've triple-checked your content for any errors, it's time to save your work. Click the Save button to ensure all your modifications are stored. Saving regularly is a good habit to get into to avoid any accidental loss of data. And there you have it. You're now ready to send out your beautifully crafted email to your chosen audience. With these steps, you can be confident that your message will not only reach your audience, but also engage them effectively. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.